is for apron, tied on tight, keeping clothes clean just right. B is for bowl, holding a treat, filled with goodies, good to eat. C is for cupcake, frosted and sweet, a yummy little bakery treat. D is for dough, soft to the touch, used for baking so very much. E is for egg beater, spinning around, mixing ingredients with a whirring sound. F is for fork, ready to use, helping us enjoy the foods we choose. G is for grapes, juicy and small, a tasty snack enjoyed by all. H is for honey, golden and sweet, a delicious topping that's hard to beat. I is for ice cube, chilly and bright, keeping drinks cool day and night. J is for jam, fruity and sweet, spread on toast for a tasty treat. K is for kettle, steaming away, warming water throughout the day. L is for ladle, scooping with care, serving warm soup everywhere. M is for muffin, fresh from the pan, a favorite breakfast for many a fan. N is for napkin, folded up neat, keeping fingers clean while we eat. O is for orange, juicy and round, a healthy snack that's easily found. P is for pretzel, twisted just right, a crunchy little snack with delight. Q is for quiche, baked with care, a tasty meal people love to share. R is for rolling pin, smooth and long, helping roll dough all day long. S is for spoon, stirring away, mixing ingredients throughout the day. T is for toaster, warming bread, making breakfast before you're out of bed. U is for utensils, lined up neat, helping prepare things good to eat. V is for vanilla, sweet and light, adding flavor that's just right. W is for whisk, spinning around, making a mixing sound. X is for xylophone, cookie cutter, fun to see, making special shapes for you and me. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet, a healthy and delicious treat. Z is for zucchini, green and long, growing in gardens all season long. Fantastic job singing your ABCs in the kitchen today. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep having fun every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time for another ABC adventure.